We begin our birthday list with CRESSLEE Harmon hanging out at the Diamond right there, celebrating her 7th birthday. CRESSLEE, I got a special note from Mommy, Daddy, Bentley, Nana, and Pop. It simply is, we love you.
All right, we got the incoming senior at CJ High School, Marley STAUFFER, turning 17 years old today. Happy birthday, Marley.
Craig TUBAUGH, he's celebrating his 36th birthday. Craig, have a great day, my man.
All right. Julie KILLEBREW, turning 36 years old as well. Looking great there, Julie, in Baxter Springs.
Patrick Potter, he has his 54th birthday. Good looking picture right there, Patrick. This happy birthday wish comes from your loving wife, Judith.
Aw. All right, we've got JD Bond turning 68 years old. JD is in Humboldt. And I'm told that that furry little critter taking a nap in his arms there is his cat named Ilanka Jade Bond.
I would love to know the background of the cat's name. It's a beautiful name. I'm just curious about it. Yeah. Yesterday, Linda Mills celebrated her 73rd birthday, and we wanted to make sure we got Linda's picture on. Happy birthday from the entire family, Miss Mills. She celebrates in Frontenac.
All right. And also turning 73 years old in La Harpe, Kansas, with love from family and friends, Larry KRESS. Happy birthday.
In CRESSLEE, a very happy birthday to David Clark. Oh, looks like Mr. Clark's out spoiling somebody there in the family. Happy birthday, David, in CRESSLEE.
All right, and we've got CAROLYN MCKEE turning 79 years old this year. Nice smile there on CAROLYN in Columbus.
And it's an 89th birthday for Roger Phillips. Roger, have a great day in Liberal.
All right, and here's a 65th anniversary coming out of Lockwood, Missouri. Little throwback picture there for the high schools. Congratulations on 65 years, Frank and Francis High School.
Cool picture right there. That's great. Love that, Frank and Francis. Congratulations. Diane Calloway celebrating a birthday in Weir. Happy birthday to Diane. Richard Frank, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus. Riley K. Omi, the big number 5 right there. Now, Riley, I'm being told, little birdie tells me that your birthday was actually yesterday, but Tanya and I have we've got like a little deal here with the birthday people, and that is if you celebrate a 5th, you get to carry that all the way into the weekend.
Yeah, you do.
You can tell your mom and dad that's Tanya and I talked to the birthday brass, as we like to call them. They're cool with that. So happy birthday in the Berg. And Ron and Dee Kissel, they are celebrating their 46th anniversary. Congratulations to the Kissel, and perhaps a trip to Big Ed's in store as they are celebrating in there. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this July the 22nd. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.